lists are useful for creating things like a series of steps, to-do lists, summaries, or maybe just a bunch of reminders. An accessible list means it can be perceived by a screen reader and that it is easily identifiable among other text if someone were scanning a document. For this video, we will look at how lists work in Moodle and then in Google Docs. When creating lists with a text editor in Moodle, start by expanding the text ribbon. Then, highlight the text that you want to turn into a list. The two options for making a list are on the right side of the ribbon. Note that the lists have two varieties, bullets and numbered. A bulleted list should be used when the order of reading does not matter, like a list of topics a course will cover. A numbered list is used when a reader should follow the steps or items in a certain order, like directions for a lab assignment. If sublists are needed for a list, highlight the lines that are subpoints and click the Indent Right button. It is very important the lists are not created by hitting enter to create a new line and then typing a hyphen or number. This is just regular text that has no program structure, so a screen reader user would not be able to navigate lists correctly, and the reader won't identify the text as having any structure. In other words, it would seem like a regular paragraph text to a user who cannot see the screen. Plus, this method can cause inconsistent or contradictory formatting for sighted users as it relies on manual input. Creating a list in Google is similar in that the text needs to be highlighted and options are provided for bullets or numbers. Sublists can be created in a similar way as well by clicking the Indent button. When correctly formatted lists are used in digital content, users can read and navigate content more easily. Lists highlight important points in a reading, break up large blocks of text, show how information relates via sublists, and allow screen reader users to jump from list to list without needing to read all of the text. These features are useful for users with limited sight and are also beneficial for students reviewing content for an exam, completing a set of difficult tasks, those who have attention or reading disabilities, or students trying to understand complex concepts that were explained in dense paragraphs. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the accessibility of lists. If you need further assistance, the Office of Online and Distance Learning is available to help.